In this tutorial, I'd like to show you how to use your US International keyboard layout. So to start, you can come down to the right, bottom right, and click on your picture. And I'm going to go to my settings. Once I'm in my settings, I can scroll down. I'll find keyboard and click on it. Scroll down once again, click on change language and input settings. Now I'm in my language and input settings. I can click on input method. Once there, I can take my cursor, click on Manage Input Methods, and by default, you should have US keyboard selected. You may have US International Keyboard or some other one selected, but in order to use your US International Keyboard, you must have the US International Keyboard selected. So once you have that selected, I can close my settings. Now, if you haven't already, you can see that you have a US International Keyboard. I can click on that and I can change it back and forth between the US and the US International. There's also a keyboard shortcut where you can see it says US Internet or US keyboard. If I press Control and the space bar, it will change it between US and international. Just Control space bar. So once I'm in my international keyboard settings, this document will tell you all of the different functions that will occur. So if I click on Right Alt plus A on my keyboard, the right Alt button, which is to the right of the space bar, and the letter A, I get my A with an accent. If I want the capital letter A with an accent, I do my right Alt, the Alt button right of the keyboard, or the space bar, plus the Shift button, plus the letter A, and I get my A, capital A, with the accent. So all of these you'll have access to using that US International keyboard layout. I will be sharing this with your teachers so then they can in turn share it with you. I've also posted my website on the Hermitage School District webpage under the Offices of Technology and one-to-one student informational links. And from there, you can see where it says Chromebook, tips and fixes. You will see International keyboard layout, and you'll have access to this document. I will also be posting this video on that website.